So imagine a world where you can shop without ever having to leave your home. Although technically this is already the case with fast delivery services and e-commerce, this is only going to become more the case as AI develops further. AI is fundamentally transforming the way we shop and has been doing so for many years now. From personalization to customer service, there are so many ways in which AI has and will continue to change how you shop. To understand this a little bit further, make sure to like this video so you can spread it around the internet, and also subscribe to this channel so we can continue to help you learn more about AI trends, tools, tips, and tricks. So, how is AI exactly shaping how you shop? Well, for one, there's personalized recommendations. And of course, it goes without saying that AI has deepened personalization. One of the major mainstream cases of this can be seen from Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, and any really old recommendation system you see. These recommendations allowed users to get items or content that were similar to, if not deeply related to, their browsing history. Besides better understanding their users' buying preferences, what this has also done is increase a huge amount of revenue for the business, as evident from the fact that 35% of Amazon's revenue came from recommendation systems alone. You also probably see this in most content platforms like Netflix or YouTube, where they provide a recommended video or show to watch using your past browsing viewing history to give you something similar to your preferences. So as we know, this has already changed the way we shop or consume information, as people remain on those platforms much longer and evidently from the data above, shop more. As AI continues to develop further, this personalization and data analysis is only going to get scarier, but that's a topic for another video. Then there's chatbots. Chatbots have been around for a while now, but ever since the advent of ChatGPT, there have been plenty of plugins or third-party apps that help the average person gain easy access to not only building their own chatbot, but implementing it into their own systems. Gone are the days where chatbots were specifically used only by big brands. Now almost anyone can have a chatbot on their e-commerce shop. This changes the way we shop, as the interactive point is no longer with a given person, but immediately to a chatbot where inquiries, product-related questions, and anything else can be quickly answered. Plus, chatbots allow everything to be supported for 24/7. Some examples of platforms that make it easy to build or even implement your own chatbot are ManyChat. This is a chatbot builder that allows you to create chatbots for Facebook Messenger. So if you're doing a business on here, it makes it easy to communicate with your customers. Then there's Botsify. This platform is a highly popular one amongst e-commerce companies. Their chatbot builder allows you to create chatbots that can answer customer questions, recommend products, and process orders with ease. And then there's Conversable. This builder allows you to create bots that can easily answer questions for your customers and process orders. But going beyond chatbots, then there's visual search. AI is becoming multimodal, which we talk about in another video. What this means is that the interaction between a given AI model is not only through text, but images or audio or video. And so soon, shoppers are now able to upload images and get recommendations on where to buy that item directly. So let's say you see a friend wearing something nice in a photo and want to know where they got it. For the most part, you can upload that photo, and AI can send you to a shop that sells that item or at least something closely resembling it. While visual search is still relatively in its beginning phases, it is already having quite an impact on the way we shop and will continue to do so as we move forward. Searching for items is going to get so much easier as visual search helps with discovering new products with relative ease. So instead of browsing and looking for an item that is on your mind, you can just get some reference and use visual search to find something similar. And as visual search enhances, you can get more information about products before even buying them as well. Using visual search can lead to that item having reviews attached to it directly. And then some real-life examples of this in action are happening with Amazon, as they've implemented visual search in its mobile app, allowing customers to search for products by taking a photo or uploading an image. Google Lens is also a popular visual search tool that is integrated into Google Search. You can use Google Lens to search for information about objects and products, and while they haven't mastered the shopping element, it's really only a matter of time until we see it happening. Pricing can be tricky for an e-commerce brand. Put it too high and people won't buy. Put it too low and people might think it's too cheap. But with AI algorithms these days, you can set pricing based on historical market data and thus set competitive pricing as well as get it to adjust automatically. Overall, dynamic pricing is making the shopping experience more efficient and affordable for consumers. Dynamic pricing can be used to encourage people to shop during off-peak hours. For example, a movie theater could use dynamic pricing to offer cheaper tickets at specific showings. And in the future, dynamic pricing can even be more customized, where specific price points may be offered to specific customers based on their average pay rate for specific items from the store. A real-life example of dynamic pricing in action is with Airbnb, where they allow hosts to be able to put on smart pricing, which then adjusts the price for their home to market rates that are profitable for them. as well as based on demand, location, competitor comparison, and much more. And then, while it's still in the beginning, we are going to eventually have AI-powered virtual fitting rooms. AR is developing further, we know this, and with Apple Vision Pro soon to come out, it's only a matter of time until we begin to shop with glasses on instead. Then with the integration of AI into these systems, customers can easily use virtual fitting rooms from the comfort of their own home. We already have some virtual fitting room apps out there, but imagine these develop further as the tech around us does. Some real-life examples include Virtusize, which allows customers to try on clothes virtually before we buy them. Virtusize uses a combination of machine learning and computer vision to create a realistic 3D model of the customer's body. And then there's also Zkit. This app allows customers to try on clothes virtually by uploading a photo of themselves or by using a virtual mannequin. These are different features you can do, such as comparing different sizes and colors of clothes. And then there's customer feedback analysis, which we do with AI. Sentiment analysis of reviews, comments, and such is another way of shopping that makes it so much better. This isn't something new, but something like everything else on this list that will only get more accurate and better. With AI sentiment analysis, we're able to gauge product satisfaction based on customers' feedback data. Retailers can use comments, reviews, and social media data to then understand how users are talking about certain items and what is popular. This information can be used to identify areas where the brand can improve its products, services, and even predict the next item that is about to be a hit. Some real-life examples of companies are Clarabridge, IBM Watson Tone Analyzer, Lexalytics, Monkey Learn, Repustate, Social Mention, and more. I'm sure you guys are already used to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. But right now, for the most part, people use them as a way to turn on, off music, search random trivia, or get updated information about the weather or news. As this develops further, we're going to be able to shop directly with voice commands as it gets implemented into e-commerce. People will be able to add items to their shopping lists, reorder products. Not only is this a super convenient way of shopping, but it's also beneficial for many handicapped people that aren't able to look at a screen. It opens up accessibility for everyone, as people who are blind or have low vision can use voice commerce to shop independently. Real-life examples of voice commerce already in action are, of course, Amazon. You can use Alexa to search for products, add products to your cart, and check out. But also Walmart gives you the option to use their Walmart app to search for products, add products to the cart, and check out. Now, if you're an e-commerce brand yourself, some of the ways above are useful to know for the impending trends and changes in the future, as the technologies are bound to be implemented to every single larger retail. So to stand out from the rest, or to even compete, it's going to be a requirement to know about these platforms and ways to make your e-commerce absolutely convenient for customers. But beyond that, knowing different AI tools to improve the e-commerce experience are important to optimize your shop and hopefully earn more money faster. So if you are interested to know more about AI tools for e-commerce brands, make sure to subscribe to this channel as I will be putting out a video on that, and like this video so it can continue to be shared to more people.